Hi, I'm Chris Speed from Edinburgh College of Art.
Hello, I'm Maria Burke from the University of Salford Business School.
You're standing in Oxfam, Oxford Road, just over across from the Contact Theatre, and it's an installation. Is it an installation? Well, it's a manifestation of really a website. The website is called TalesOfThings.com, and TalesOfThings.com allows anyone, the public, to tag objects. So if I had an artefact at home, I would take a photograph, upload it to the website, and the website would print a unique QR code, like a barcode, and that barcode I can then attach a story to. So if someone else tags that barcode, it releases the story. So what we've got here is a shop which is the physical Internet of Things. The Internet of Things was always about things, not just stories. But to do that, you have to start putting stories in amongst various things such as Oxfam shops. So here people are dropping things off, and hopefully they're telling a story when they drop things off. So when people buy things, they then get to take away the story and listen to the story at a later date.
When people come along with the reader, they'll be able to scan the tag, or indeed there'll be a QR code that's printed off using the Tales of Things website, and they'll be able to scan that using their iPhone and hear the audio recording we've just made.
Well, my item is the little red silk makeup toiletry bag. It's from a place called Naraya in Bangkok, and I believe, if this is the shopping trip I'm thinking of, I believe it's also one of the very first times I got a tuk-tuk and nearly fell out on the middle of the motorway on the way back, which I'm pretty certain it is actually. So yeah, that's my story. I risked life and limbs to get that toiletry bag in there.
So this is your first Internet of Things, your first example of actually where things and the web are connected. And we're connecting and we're scanning them through iPhones, through barcode readers, through Bluetooth, RFID readers, and even an iPhone which has been jailbroken and hacked.
What we're looking at is how to actually apply this technology now to businesses, to bring the digital economy actually to everyday people who are actually using all the different industries and all the different sectors.
So FutureEverything offers us a creative platform. We're an academic project, to be honest, a research project, Research Council funded. But sometimes as researchers, artists, you need a platform to express the idea. And FutureEverything gives us a context in which you've got like-minded digital people who understand the change that these things are going to do, and understand that art will shift from gallery spaces into the street and become ubiquitous. So FutureEverything really for the research offers an opportunity to manifest the digital, the stuff that's invisible, the stuff that's filling our website, which otherwise you can't get to. So that's what Oxfam is, and that's what FutureEverything gives us.